The anglerfish uses a glowing lure on its head to attract prey. Share this if you'd never swim in the deep sea after this. Vampire squid have blue eyes and glow-in-the-dark arms. Male anglerfish fuse to females permanently and share blood. The goblin shark's jaw shoots forward like a slingshot. Giant squid eyes can be as large as dinner plates. Deep-sea fish often produce their own light bioluminescence. Some creatures survive near hydrothermal vents over 700 degrees Fahrenheit. Barrel-eye fish have transparent heads. The fangtooth fish has teeth too large to close its mouth.